In my book, it says, how can you show all of the ways to take apart a number? So we have all of these different cube links here. And how many are in each cube link? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to be taking apart the number 5 each time. Let's read the first part. Jada has 5 grapes. What are all the ways she can share the grapes with her sister? So what we're going to do is go here, and what we're going to do is just color in some of the cubes and then leave the rest blank. So the colored part is what Jada's going to have, and the part that we leave blank is what she's going to share with her sister. So we want all of these to look different so we can show different ways of how they're sharing. So on the first one, I'm going to color in just 1. So in your book, I want you to color in just 1 with your pencil. So if Jada has the colored in ones, Jose, how many does Jada have up here?
4.
So Jada has the black ones. So if this is Jada's, how many does her sister get?
4.
4. So Jada gets 1. And the sister gets 4. So in your book, you should be writing these with me. Go ahead and do that.
Okay.
Okay, this next one is for Sophia. Sophia. This time I'm going to give Jada 2. So if Jada has 2, how many does her sister have?
3.
3. So we would say 2 and 3. Go ahead and write that in your book. 2 and 3. Liam, let's go back to the first problem. Right here I would put blank and blank. What 2 numbers would I write? Go ahead, Liam. Xander, what 2 numbers would I write?
3 and 2.
Right here.
1 and 4.
We would write 1 and 4. Now, on this problem, I'm going to color in 3. Okay. Xander, now you can tell me the numbers for this one.
2 and 3.
So we want to say this one first, the colored in ones.
2 and 3.
3 and 2. Okay. Zayden. Now I'm going to color in 4. So what 2 numbers would I say here? Start with the colored in ones.
4 and 1.
Good job. That was perfect. So now we have 4 and 1. See how I'm saying the ones we colored in first? So 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 3 and 2, 4 and 1. Okay. This next one, I have to color all of them in. So, trick question. Kieran, what 2 numbers would I put here? We start with the colored in.
4.
Go ahead and count again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. 5. And how many are not colored in?
1.
Are there any that are not colored in?
No.
No, so we would say 0. 0 colored in. Or 0 that are left blank. So 5 colored and 0 blank. Now we need to show another way. The last way that we can show the combination here is to not color any of them. So if I don't color any of them, boys and girls, I'm going to put a 0 first. For 0 colored in and 5 not colored in. So we have all of these different combinations that we can do. These aren't the only ones though. Oh, yep, we did the 2 right here. We're good. I thought we skipped this one. So now we need to go back through and read all of these, and we're going to realize why we put this and in between them. So we have 1 and 4, 2 and 3, 3 and 2, 4 and 1, 5 and 0, 0 and 5. Do you guys notice that some of these are just flip-flops?
Like 1 and 4 and 4 and 1.
Yes, Jose, look. 1 and 4, and then they just flip-flopped them and said 4 and 1. They just flip-flopped them.
And 5 and 0, 0 and 5.
Yep, and then these 2. So all they did was just flip those around. But those are different ways that we can take apart the number 5. All right. Can you use the raise hand button to let me know that you're all caught up with this page? Good job. I see 7 hands raised. Okay. Now we're going to go to the next page. Ooh. Now we're going to be taking apart the number 9. And we're going to show different ways. Jose, my turn. So now we're going to take apart the number 9. Jada has 9 grapes.
Oh, what's on the next?
What are all the ways she can share the grapes with her sister? Kieran, please mute. So, they're starting like we did on this last page. Do you guys see that we started with the number that we colored in? They're going to do that too. So take a look here. How many did they color in? Sophia.
Miss Prince, can you go back to that page?
Oh, are you guys not done?
Yeah.
Okay, first graders. We're going to run out of time. We need to make sure we're following along.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Please mute. Thank you. Okay, I'll give you 10 seconds and then we're going to the next page. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Sophia, can you please leave the microphone button alone? Thank you. All right. We're going to first write the number that's colored in. So how many are colored in? Keela?
9.
9. What are all the ways she can share the grapes with her sister? So right here they're saying that they're going to give her 0 grapes. So she has 9. I have someone that's not muted.
I don't know.
Thank you, Keela. So, we're going to show the different ways that she can share the grapes. If she gives 0 grapes to her sister, how many grapes does she still have? Samantha. She has 9 grapes. She doesn't give any to her sister. So how many does she still have? 9, good job. Okay. Liam. She has 9 grapes to start. She gives 1 to her sister. How many grapes does she have left over?
8.
8, good job. Okay, we're going to keep going in that pattern, and we're going to see all the different ways we can take apart the 9. So if you look here, we took it apart, a 1 and an 8, 0 and a 9. So we're going to keep going and see all the different ways. All right. I'm going to be calling on students, so make sure that you're following along with me. I'm going to call on each of you to answer each of these questions. So I'm going to put all your hands down because I'm going to make sure I call on everyone. So we don't need to raise our hand right now. Okay. Keela, I'm going to start with you. Color and draw to show how to take apart 9. Complete the subtraction sentence. So what we're going to do is just cross those ones out. Okay? So we'll group them, the ones that we're sharing, and then we'll cross them out. So we're starting with 2 crossed out here. Do you guys see that? So I want you to circle the 2 and then cross them out.
Okay.
All right. So 9, take away
2.
2. And how many are left over, Keela?
7.
Great job. All right. Kieran, you are next. We're going to circle 3 of them and cross them out. How many do we take away? This is
What?
how many did we take away?
3.
Good job. Now, Kieran, how many are left over?
Um, 6.
Great job, Kieran. There's 6 left over. Okay. Kieran, you may mute now. Zayden, if I crossed out 3 last time and my number's getting bigger, how many do I cross off this time?
4.
4. So I need to find 4. The back 4 over here. Circle those 4.
Cross them out.
Good job, Zayden. Cross them out. How many did I take away?
4.
4. And how many are left over here?
5.
Great job. All right. Jose, I crossed out 4 last time. Now how many do I need to cross out? Do you see how the number's getting bigger that we cross out?
Yeah.
Okay, I crossed out 2, then I crossed out 3, then I crossed out 4, so now I need to cross out,
6,
oh, 2, 3, 4,
5.
good job. So I need to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, circle, cross them out, and how many are left over, Jose?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job, Jose. All right. Make sure that you guys are following along and doing this in your book with me. Jose, you can mute now. Thanks. Okay, Xander, you're next. How many am I crossing out? Six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many are left over?
3.
Good job. 3 left over.
I just noticed that it's a flip.
Look at that, Jose. Look. 3, 6, 6, 3. 5, 4, 4, 5. All right. We crossed out 6 last time. And now, Sophia, how many do I cross off now? Yep.
7.
Yep. Good job. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Cross these out. And how many are left over, Sophia?
2.
2.
Miss Prince.
Jose, please wait. We can't unmute like that because we need to take turns. Aaron, we crossed out 7 last time. Now how many are we crossing out? We crossed out 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7. Now we need to cross out
1 and 8.
So what number goes here?
1.
We're taking away 1, like this. Does that match our pattern?
Yeah.
We need to cross out even more than last time. So we crossed out 7 last time. So now we need to cross out 8. So we need to cross out 8 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You see that, Aaron? So we took away 8. 7 take away 8. And how many are left?
1.
1. We took away 8. See how we took them away? And now there's 1 left. Okay. This next one is for Liam. Liam, how many do I cross off now?
I counted until the last number and it's going to be 9.
Perfect. So we take away 9. Now, without even crossing them out, do you know how many are going to be left over? We have 9. We're taking away 9. How many are left over? So I have 9 cubes here.
Oh,
Oh,
9.
9.
0 is getting crossed out.
Oh, don't take away the learning of other students.
9.
We're not going to have 9 left over. So I have 9. Liam, I'm taking away 9. take all of them away. How many are left over?
0.
Good job. 0 are left over. Thanks, Liam. All right, if you are all done with this page, we are going to read these equations so that we can understand how each of them work, okay? 9 minus 2 equals 7. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 9 minus 4 equals 5. 9 minus 5 equals 4. 9 minus 6 equals 3. 9 minus 7 equals 2. 9 minus 8 equals 1. 9 minus 9 equals 0. I want to point out two different patterns. The reason that we're going to be having patterns is because we followed this chart where we kept a pattern here, and it's going to match the patterns that you see here because we're taking the numbers apart. We're always starting with the biggest number, which is 9. So that's why we have the same pattern. Watch what I mean by pattern. On this side, we're at 7, and we're going down by one number each time. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And on this side, our numbers are getting bigger. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You guys see those patterns? Go ahead and give yourself a star on your page. And please use the raise hand button to let me know you're ready for the next page. This is our last one. It is page 113.
Miss Teresa, it gets smaller and when you go to the end, it's bigger.
Yep. You're exactly right. Okay, please use the raise hand button to let me know that you're ready for this page. I'm going to be looking around to see who's raising their hand. Samantha, I'm going to be calling on you first. Aaron, thanks for showing me you're ready. Jose, can you show me you're ready? Sophia, Liam, Keela, Zayden, make sure you show me you're ready. Kieran, I'm going to have you turn video off so that way my screen stays really clear for everyone else. Thank you. Zayden's ready. Kieran's ready. Keela, make sure you're ready.
Not ready.
Jose, do you have a question?
Yes, can I show you something?
Right now, Jose, we need to make sure that we focus on our assignment, okay? Because we don't have a lot of time left. So we need to make sure that we are doing this the whole time and getting all of our work done.
It's with school too.
Okay, I'm going to have you wait, okay, bud? Okay. All right. So now it says we need to look for a pattern, just like we did last time. Color and draw to show how to take apart the number 10. So this time we're starting with 10 cubes every single time. All of these different ways. The reason that there's even more ways to take apart 10 than there were for 9 is because 10 is bigger. So as your number gets bigger, you're going to have more ways to take it apart. So when we are doing this, we're going to start with taking away 0 of the cubes. We're not going to take away any of them. So I'm going to say take away 0. Samantha, if I take away 0, how many are left over?
1.
I'm not taking any of them away. None of them are crossed out. So how many are still here?
0.
I still have all of my cubes. How how many are left over? How many are still there? Go ahead and count them. 10. If we don't take away any of them, we still have 10. We still have all 10 of our cubes. Good job, Samantha. Liam. This time I'm just going to take away 1. What number would I put here?
A1.
And how many are left over?
None.
Good job. All right, I'm starting to see a pattern. 10, 9, 0, 1, 2. Aaron, how many do I cross off?
2.
Good job. Cross off 2, and how many are left over?
8.
Good job. 0, 1, 2, 10, 9, 8. Sophia, how many do I cross off now?
3.
Good job. 3. And how many are left over?
7.
7. Good job. Do you see how this number is going up by 1 every time? This one's going down by 1 every time because we're just changing one different way to take it apart. So this one, I didn't take any of them off. This one I'm taking just 1. This one I'm taking 2. This one I'm taking 3. So, Xander, this one I'm taking 4. How many are left over? 6, and I'll show you right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. Jose, you're next. How many do I cross off now?
5.
Great job. And how many are left over?
Huh? It's in the closet.
1, 2, 3.
How many?
5.
5. Ooh.
10 equals 5 minus 5.
Oh, 10 minus 5 equals 5. Make sure you read the symbols, okay? 10 minus 5 equals 5. Good job, Jose. All right, my next helper is Zayden. Zayden, how many do I cross off now?
6.
6. And how many are left over?
Wait, what?
How many are left over?
12.
4. Okay. Keela, what's next? Go ahead, Keela.
4.
So we took away 4, then we took away 5, then we took away 6, now we take away
7.
7. How many are left over?
8.
Good job.
Mute.
3 left over. So we took away 7. We have 3 left over. Kieran, now how many do we cross out? Look at my pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I take away 8, how many do I have left over?
Two.
Perfect. 2. Okay. Now, raise your hand if you can tell me how many I take away now. Xander. Good job. We took away 9. And there's 1 left over. Okay. Raise your hand if you can tell me how many I take away now. Sophia. 10. I'm going to take all of them away. If I take all of them away, how many are left over?
0.
Good job. So I'm going to cross all of them out. I took away all of them. Great job. If you are done with this page, give yourself a happy face. And you're going to show me tomorrow. You're going to be working on 3 pages with Miss Cheatham. You're going to work on this page. Oh, look, there's a map on the spot. And you're going to work on your homework. Look, it's exactly what we just practiced today, so it'll be easy peasy. And then your last page of your homework. Oh, and these are easy peasy ones. These are review. So you guys should know these ones in a snap. So, you guys have 1, 2, 3 pages with Miss Cheatham tomorrow. Okay? You also have a map on the spot. I'm going to let her know that if it is too wild and crazy during the map, to just skip the map on the spot. If kids are interrupting or using the unmute button disrespectfully, I'm just going to have her skip the on the spot. So make sure that if you want to watch that you are showing respect and that you're working hard and you're staying on task, okay? All right, first grade, it's time to be done with math.